In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to use Wix.com, which is a completely free website building engine, to build a mobile friendly, very clean, professional looking affiliate website. So what you want to do is go to Wix.com. If you're brand new to Wix.com, you're going to see a big button on the home page that will say Get Started or Start Now, just like you see here. And in that situation, you would put in your name and email to get started building your site with Wix.com. If you already have an account with Wix, like let's say you set up your squeeze page with Wix already, you could just go here to My Account and you're just going to choose Create a New Site. Create a New Site. And it's going to take you to a section where you can find different website templates that you can work with that you could decide to use for your affiliate website. So what you want to do is just look for, some different templates. You could find, business and service templates, and you kind of want to look for a template that's going to match up with the niche that you're going after. So we're going to pretend, we're going after the golf marketplace. So let's say, that's the golf niche. We're going to build a site around a golf product. And so let's go here to business and services, sports and recreation. Sports and recreation. And let's just scroll on down here. So here's like a sports news website. That one looks pretty good. You could probably work with that. Here's one called The Gym. Possible photos there, fitness training, Pilates training. And again, you can scroll through these different templates. And then once we do that, we'll jump in here and start to work with them. So here's one that's all about golfing, golf related products and reviews. So we could actually click view, and that's going to open up the website in another editor here so we could see how it looks. And that actually looks good. We could actually work with this website. We could build an affiliate site on this platform. So let's go ahead and let's just choose edit this site. Edit this site. And it's going to open up the Wix editor, which will take just a moment here to load up. So once the Wix editor loads up, pretty much you have all the freedom in the world to go through here and make changes and make tweaks to the page as you see fit. Wix is very point and click simple. It's a very simple to use interface. Up here at the top, it's going to show you the different pages that you could play around with in the menu. So we can come here. We're just going to start out on the home page because that's really where it's all about. So all we have to do is just click on edit text and we can come on in here. So grab, and you want to have some sort of a catchy headline, so learn how to finally improve your golf game. And then you can open with a nice strong sentence here. Of course, you're going to write better content. This is just for examples here. So you have arrived at the right website at the right time to finally improve your golf game. We have assembled a great selection of articles, information, and more to help you become a better golfer. And then let's just pretend here that you are being an affiliate here. So there's a couple things you could do. You could decide to send, to send people to your opt-in form. Maybe you've already set that up on another Wix page. You could maybe embed your opt-in form. You could go over here to the app marketplace, and you could actually choose the HTML. Just do a search for HTML up here in the app marketplace for the iframe embed code, and that will give you the code you need to embed your opt-in form right onto your free website if you wanted to do that. You could also send people to like an affiliate link as well. So we'll go back here to editing the text, and let's say, click here for our preferred guide on improving your golf game. So all we need to do here is go right on up here to our website. So I'm going to jump right on in here, go to clickbank.com, and we're going to go to the marketplace, and we're going to set up an affiliate link. So this would be the process really for any site that you are trying to promote. So how to break 80, that's going to be the golf course we do. So I'm going to show you how to link up your affiliate link. So if you're with Commission Junction, you'll follow their instructions to get a link, depending on who you're with. So inside ClickBank, since a lot of you may be using ClickBank to start out, they have a low barrier to entry. They pay out on time. They have great commissions for you. You can make a lot of money with them. So just go to clickbank.com, find the products, so type in, how to break 80. And all you need to do here is click on promote right here. So click on promote, and it's going to ask for your account nickname. And in this situation, you would just put in your ClickBank affiliate link. This is the ClickBank account that you should already have set up, and we do have some tutorials that show you how to set that up. You can also just go to sign up at ClickBank's website, and you would have access to their website. So this right here is going to be the link that you're now sending people to. This is your affiliate link. So I'm going to click on copy, and I'll go back here to my HTML5 editor, and I'm going to highlight the, click here for our preferred guide. We'll make that bold so it stands out a bit. Click on this link here. It's going to look like a little chain link fence, and I'm just going to choose, a web address and open in a new window. So web address, open in a new window, and there you go. So now we've got a clickable hyperlink that's ready to go. And then you could do a short review, the how to break 80 course has helped many people finally conquer the golf course, give people more confidence on the course, and changed the way you look at the game you love. Okay, so you can of course add in your own elements here, but now you can get the idea here. We've already added in a hyperlink here, so people can now be taken to another site. The beauty of Wix is you could just leave these images in there because it's related to your niche market. And if you find images you don't want to use, you can just highlight them and click on delete, or you could change the image. So I could come up here to change image, and you could actually go pick your own images using one of the royalty-free image sites that we were talking about, or you could find your very own images to use within Wix. So I could go here to sports and recreation, and I just went free images from Wix, and I could actually change this out and decide to use that golf image right here instead. And so that image, I might decide, hey, that image looks a whole lot better. So let's come back in here too, and let's say that in this text, I decide that I want to, do some other things. So we might want to center justify this to make it a little bit better. You can just do this with the click of a mouse to center it up. And let's say we want to make that go back there. So there's just lots of possibilities here. You can change, again, the images that you see showing up there. That image there looks pretty good. We could keep that image as it is. We can come right up here to where it says menu, and we can choose rename these pages. So you've got home there. We've got the golf menu right here as well. So again, you're just going to highlight there, and this page name we could talk about, how to cure slice. And then you can go in here and you can play around with a little bit more, of these topics. So SEO page settings on how to cure golf slice. You could change the page title here for search engines to how to cure golf slice, and that would be ideal to put in your search engine friendly keywords there. Do a description. A meta description is really good for search engine optimization. So learn how to effectively cure your golf slice once and for all. And let's just type in one keyword here, cure golf slice. Hit done on that. Membership, so it has like little sub menus that may pop down in there. You could actually, delete those little sub menus because we don't need that. The opening hours, we could actually delete that as well. delete that page. Functions, so let's come down here. Let's say we want to change, so recommended resource. So golf resources. Find the best golf resources here. And then click on done. And then we can go right down here to the golf shop and contact us. You could include those as well. If you want to add a page, so you want to add a page to the menu, you could go around, name your page. So let's say, ebook or free. Let's say we want to add a page for free opt-in or free ebook. Click OK on that. And then you can choose where on the menu you want this to show up. So we could drag this up above recommended resources. And let's just go here to recommended resources. And again, let's say, hey, we want to delete that. So let's go ahead and do that. And so now we've got the How to Cure Slice page, free ebook. And we could change this to, instead of How to Cure Golf Slice, we could call it Golf Articles if we wanted to. And it could link to other articles. Free ebook, Golf Shop, contact us. So inside free ebook, let's just go to edit. And let's go here to page title. Free golf ebook. And if you want an image to not, or if you want a page to not show up on the menu, you could just choose hide from the menu. That would be another option. Page description, download this free golf ebook to improve your golf score. And click done. And so that's how you work with the different pages here. You can come on over here to the various pages. And this would be right here, the free ebook page that we're on. So right here, we could actually add in our opt-in form. You could do your own little mini squeeze page here if you wanted to. So just go here to edit text. Instantly improve your golf game with this free ebook. And you could take out, again, most of this text here. Drag that up. Go right on over here to the app market. Go to HTML. Add this to the site. We'll click on this. Click settings, and then you can choose HTML code. And what you can do here is just throw in your code for your ListWire opt-in box, and then you've automatically got your opt-in form there. So let me show you how to do that again. We'll go back to listwire.com. We'll log into our account. And we'll choose our golf product. Go over here to where it says prospects subscription form. And let's get the code for our free golf guide. We can copy that code there. Paste that in there. Click on update. And then we can drag that around so it fits. We can edit this text, center justify it if we wanted to. And again, it's just as simple as point and click. And really, it's one of those things where you'll want to play with it a little bit more to really get the hang of it, to understand how it's going to work. And then it's going to, be a little bit easier for you to work with. But there you go. So now we've got the, free ebook there as well. We can come up here and edit really any page on here. So we go back here to Golf Shop, And in the golf shop, we could actually go in here, add in our own images. You could keep that image. You could maybe link to Amazon products here. You could do a series of Amazon articles and content that you want to post in there. There's just a lot of possibilities here within this website editor. So when you go to a page you want to edit, you can just come right over here, double click on the page that you want to start editing, and then on the pages menu when it pops up you can click on here to start editing the page. You could also, if you want to add content to a page, you go here to where it says pages, click add page, and let's just come down here and it's going to just be like a blank page, or you could add an entire blog if you wanted to. So a blank page, and this one would be an article on choosing the right iron. And then click on OK. And on this page here, you could hide this page from the menu, so it's not going to show up on the menu. Page title, choosing right irons. Learn the tips to choosing the right irons. Now, for those that aren't golfers, irons are the clubs. It's a type of club. So you could do an article on choosing the right irons. Then click on done. And you could go in here and edit this page. And you could go on in here, change how the page looks, edit that page, play around with it. You could put in your own content here as well. You can add elements to the page, so you could add, a text section to the page right here. So this is how you start with working with a fresh page. And then you can go through there on adding. You could add anything you want there, pretty much images. You can go back to the home page here. And as you click on these, it's going to automatically change. And let's say that from the home page here, we decide we do want to add another image here. So we could add image, and we would just drag to where we want that image to go. So you can just play around with, the placement of the images, the sizing of the images, just to make sure they come out as you want them to look. So we could come right down in here. We could actually delete that text there because that's just signature bar. Double click on this image. Go to free from Wix, and we'll go back down here. We'll find sports and recreation. We'll find another golf picture that we could potentially use. And again, you could actually upload your own pictures as well if you choose to do that also. That's also a possibility. So here's one, golf club and ball. Click on change image. So now we've just really spiced this page up a little bit. You could also upload like an e-cover picture. So if you were to use an e-cover from, maybe the product you're promoting, you could actually upload that e-cover image as well if you chose to do that also. So you could actually upload that e-cover image to really help spice up the page a little bit. We can come down here and we could add in, change this button text here to link to a different page. So let's say we have an article page here, choosing right irons, and then you could link to and then select the page here, which is choosing the right irons. So you could do your own navigation on the right hand side as well. And so again, it's just a matter of double clicking right on in there. So the purpose of this, is just to really show you how simple it is to use. When your website is done, you can click on publish, and it's going to ask to save your work. So we're just going to call this golf. Let's call this golf. Improve your golf game. improve. Let's say that's a little bit too long, so let's just say golf improvement or golf tips. And let's say save now. And it's saving, and then you can click OK and now publish your site. You want to make sure the green is checked to allow search engines to index your content. Click on OK. And you could actually share your site instantly to your Facebook and Twitter, which would be a preferred method to do. And we can now take a look at your site. So once your site is published, you're going to get a link here. So let's click on this link one more time. So there you have it. So now you've got your site looking up. And if you see something that, seems off, you can always go back to your site here and you could add in, certain elements like if the menu's missing or certain parts of the site just aren't displaying as they should. You can come back here, modify them, tweak them, and it gives you just a lot of functionality, a lot of possibilities there within this website. So yeah, Wix is a great tool. It's just a matter of getting familiar with it, using it. You can even check out how your site looks on your phone. You could also come up here again, edit the text. Anywhere you see something that you want to edit, you can go ahead and edit it. So you can go ahead and edit about anything that you want within Wix. So they make it really seamless and really simple for you. And again, when you're done and want to make a change, just click on publish and it will publish your site, and then you can come back over here to your website and refresh, and you'll notice that part just changed that I saw. So you can publish it, go back, make tweaks, make changes, and then this right up here, once it's published, is going to be the link that you use to promote your free website, which you can also test out the affiliate link here. So if I were to click on that link, that's that affiliate link, and that's going to take me into purchase the How to Break 80 course. So you notice I am doing my affiliate marketing from within there, and you can choose any Wix editor. You don't need to use the template that I just used as well. So let's say I'm just going to add this to my order just so we can show that my affiliate ID is working, and it was working. I clicked on it from that website that we just built, and that affiliate link was working. So that's one thing. Another important thing you do want to check out as well is how your affiliate link is working and how it's showing up also. So that's really important. But you can see here you can build very simple, clean looking layouts, clean websites within Wix. So get after it. It's a matter of playing around with it too until you get the right feel for it and until you get the right look. And again, you can go back and choose all these templates. They have templates for all sorts of niche markets: health, fitness, gaming, whatever niche market you're into, there's going to be a template for it. There's also some more plain templates like this one here that you could really play around with, and just some real basic ones as well that aren't related to a certain niche topic. So you can find what you want on Wix.com and build some phenomenal websites that you can start promoting, start getting traffic to, and then when it's time, you could actually up it a little bit, invest in your own domain, invest in your own hosting, and get more content out there.